This is How Does Everything Work? Quick, clear, simple. Let's begin. You send an email and it arrives in seconds, sometimes across the entire world. But what actually happens between clicking send and someone else seeing it? Let's break it down simply. When you send an email, nothing physical is being sent. You're not sending a file. You're not sending a message. You're sending a copy of information, tiny packets of data. So step 1. Your email is turned into digital packets. Each packet contains two things: the content and the destination address. Your computer doesn't know where the recipient is. It only knows where to send the packets first. To your local mail server, the SMTP server. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. But really, it's just the digital post office for email. Your email goes from your device, your Wi-Fi or data, your internet provider, your email server. That's the first hop. Next, your email server looks at the domain of the recipient. If you sent it to someoneagmail.com, your server looks up Gmail's mail server. This happens through DNS, the phone book of the internet. DNS takes the domain name, finds the matching IP address, and tells your server where the message needs to go next. Now the real journey begins. Your email travels across the internet the same way all online data does, through fiber optic cables, under the ground, across cities, between states, and even along massive cables under the ocean. Inside those cables are pulses of light, literally flashes of light, carrying your information. Your email doesn't take one path. It takes many hops. Router to router, network to network, city to city, sometimes country to country. Every router checks your packet's address and sends it closer to its destination. This can happen dozens of times in milliseconds. When your email reaches the recipient's mail server, it doesn't go to their phone immediately. First, the receiving server stores it. Then it waits for the user's device to fetch it. Email apps, Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, constantly check for new messages. When they see your email on the server, they download a copy to the device. That's when the message appears. So in reality, your email traveled through your device, your Wi-Fi, your internet provider, your email server, DNS lookups, global fiber optic cables, multiple routers, the recipient's mail server, and finally their device, all in seconds. No airplanes, no trucks, no envelopes, just packets of light racing through underground cables all over the planet. That's how email travels across the world. A global relay system of servers, routers, and fiber optic highways, moving information at nearly the speed of light. If this helped you understand the world a little better, tap subscribe. There's a lot more to learn, and we're just getting started.